Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra and in this particular video we will be talking about Hexaware. Hexaware is one of the company who hire people in bulk quantity. So yes, you can become one of them and get employed in this May itself because this opportunity will help you to place in this particular month itself. Okay, so profile is get. We'll talk about free resources, how you can crack it, and tons of things like hiring process, flow, what all questions they can ask you, what all topics is important. We'll discuss everything. So make sure that you will apply before 14th of May, 11:59 p.m. Otherwise, your application would not be accepted. Okay. Please make sure that you're not from ME, MTech because you're not eligible. Passing year should be 2025 and education gap should not more than 1 year. If you have 1 year point 1 month, you're not allowed to sit in this particular opportunity. CS, IT, ICAI, MLDS, ECE, Triple E, which means circuit and non-circuit branch are eligible for this opportunity. Please go straight away apply, but make sure that you have more than 6 CGPA in most of the semesters. Okay, so that in the time of document verification, you won't get out from the hiring process. Okay, the CTC will sit at around 4 LPA. So stipend in your training period of 6 months will be 15,000 and 3 years of bond. If you break it, it will be 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so QA is the role profile, which is not bad. If you work as a QA, you can internally shift to the core part as well if you are good or proficient in that particular topic. And internal shifting can happen because nowadays market sthiti, or I can say conditions, are very low. So please straight away apply. So hiring process, group discussion, aptitude assessment, technical interview, HR interview would be the process. So make sure that you are available in this particular month because your joining would be on 28th of May. Second week of June would be your tentative onboarding date. Okay, so immediate onboarding will happening right after your test. So please go and apply. They also shared the list, written the same thing in a more proper manner in a document. You can just click on superset, which is there in the description below. Already I created how to get hired at a Hexaware in 2025. Complete process has been taken care of. You can see the aptitude topics that you need to study. Then you have technical interview round 2. You can see technical interview, then tons of things. There are multiple things available. You can see the topics, the important topics, the HR portions already taken care of, so that this video will be best fit. So please, if you are not subscribed, we are very close to 50K. Please help us to reach there. This is the biggest milestone that I can achieve by your help, by your support. I am working day and night for all of your benefit for all of you. So please consider like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video with your friends. And please, here I told about if you want any quiz series or something, you can straight away come to the comment section below and comment it down. I will tell my team to build the upcoming quiz or aptitude rounds, whatever, which help you to crack the upcoming opportunities. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll meet you with a new video soon. Until then, consider subscribing us, like this video.